Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a comparison between two finance or accounting giants, and they are Refresh Me and Xero. We'll see which of them reigns supreme. Let's get started. Well, finance tools in 2025 are smarter than ever, but between Refresh Me and Xero, which one actually keeps your money in check? Let's find out fast. When it comes to who or what they're best for, Refresh Me is best for small business owners who hate accounting, while Xero is best for accountants and growing businesses. When you look at the automation, RefreshMe has AI categories, AI that categorizes expenses in seconds, while Xero has bank feeds plus bulk reconciliation. When it comes to user-friendly, are they user-friendly? Well, RefreshMe is super simple. It's like a three-click workflows, while Xero is powerful but complex because it has more menus. When we look at their mobile app, do they have mobile apps? They both do. And to refresh me is clean, actionable alerts. While Zero is feature packed but kind of overwhelming. When we look at integrations, Refresh Me integrates into about 50 plus key apps like Stripe and Shopify, while Zero integrates into about 1,000 plus apps with deep ecosystem. When we look at the pricing, Refresh Me has a flat price of $15 a month with unlimited users, while Zero has Zero subscription, or should I say pricing starts at $25 a month and it has user limits. In conclusion, Refresh Me is like your finance savvy bestie, fast and fuss free, while Xero, on the other hand, is more like a full time accountant in your pocket. But which one is your match? Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment in the section to let us know which one you picked. Please subscribe for more no nonsense to showdowns. It helps the channel. Thank you and see you in the next one.